Good morning, YouTube. Hey, Merry Christmas. And I wanted to come and give you a Christmas makeup tutorial. We ain't doing not much to the hair this morning. But yeah, I'm just going to give you a little face. New, this is what I'm using this morning. And before somebody asks me where I get this shirt from, Fashion Nova, go and check a previous Fashion Nova video. Okay. We're going to use this. Have a 2-hour drive today, so you could say between a 2-hour, 3-hour drive to see some family. But yeah, so we have that. So we're going to go on and start on my makeup, and like I'm using my newer palette. I actually like it, so let's see. So we're going to take this one, and if I'm looking at it correctly, from the Smoky palette, we're going to be using the one Hookup, and I'm going to set that over here for a minute. That's this color right here. Alright. Alright, I'm just going to take this and just... And we're going to... From the red palette, we're going to take For Real. And that's this color right here. We're just going to add that. And we're just taking it a little bit right in here. Okay. And we're just going to blend it in. And with this one, we're going to take from the Hard Graphic palette, we're going to put in Forgiven. But before we put in Forgiven, we're going to take Hot Stuff from Red, just to add a little red in there. So we're just going to take Hot Stuff, and I'm just going to just add that in there just a bit. Beautiful. Just add it to the tip. very beautiful. It's turning out very beautiful. I'm going to take this and we're just going to kind of tune it in a little more. Actually, I like it. And then we're going to take this and we're going to take this color. This is Red Mint color, and we're just going to add it here. It is so pretty. Just coat it. Then we're going to take, from Hot Stuff, we're going to take, well, actually not from Hot Stuff, we're going to take this color right here. And we're just going to finish it right in here. It turned out very beautiful. Very beautiful. And we're going to go and let me find a brush. This brush right here. And from the Smoky Nudes Smoky palette, we're going to take this as a highlight color. And we're just going to do it. And we're going to just blend this out a little bit. But before I finish up, let me find it. We're going to take this and we're going to add another color to it. Just another. I'm going to add this color. Just like this. It's this pretty champagne color. And there you go. I actually like it. And yeah, it turned out pretty well. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a color from my Juvia's Place Warrior palette. And it's this color right here. It's a little light. And we're just going to, in the crease, in the brow bone. And that's it. Yeah. So let's just try to finish up a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to use this palette this morning for the colors that I use. Love it. Yeah. So the lipstick I'm using is actually Mink. I actually like this color. I'm going to use Mink. And you can find that in Revlon. Let's see. Hope everybody is just having a beautiful day. Let's see. So then we're going to take the CoverGirl melted paint pots, and we're just going to add a little bit in the middle, just the middle. I actually like it. So what we're going to do now, we just a little highlights. So we're going to take this brush here and nope. We're going to take my Anastasia Glow Kits. That was a gift from was given to me by my sister. And let's see. We're going to take the color Moonstone right at the bottom here and just do a little bit of that. Okay, I'm going to just do this. And as for a blush, we're going to go a very neutral. We're going to use Awesome. It's one of my favorite colors to use. There we go. And the powder, here we go. Powder is right here. And it's by the CoverGirl Queen Collection. I don't know if they still do have this one. But yeah, that is that. And let me just do my hair right quick. Yeah, still got a little life. Just this is supposed to be a mixture of purples. So yeah. Hope everybody has and that is it. You can kind of say I have a beautiful berry shimmer Christmas makeup tutorial. Very subtle lipstick, and I hope everybody has a very, oh, before I forget, do this right quick. We're going to there we go. And yep, we have that. Before I actually really forget, let me do my brows for y'all right quick. And I'm going to show y'all how to not have a trick that I do for I won't have clumpy eyelashes. And so before I do that, I have these and I love using these. So we're going to use this on the brows. once I put the product in, I'll put a little more work into it. There we go. And then to make sure I don't have clumpiness, there you go. And one thing I'm going to do right quick was going to take this brush and there you go. And that is my very Merry Christmas makeup look. Till then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Bye and Merry Christmas.